Hi, in this video I am going to discuss what an ordinary annuity is and using a numeric example how to calculate the present value of an annuity. Ordinary annuity is an annuity whose payments occur at the end of each period. In order for a series of cash flows to be an ordinary annuity, they have to meet three criteria. First, all payments have to be equal or constant payments. Second, there has to be a fixed time interval. Third, finite or specified number of periods. Calculating the present value of an ordinary annuity can often be complicated if it is for a long period of time. However, a financial calculator can make it simple for you. Let's take an example. What is the present value of an ordinary annuity of $300 per year for 6 years at 4%? It's always better to visualize the problem by converting this word problem into a timeline. As you can see, the present value would be the sum of the present values of individual cash flows. Instead of discounting each of the cash flows separately and sum those up, we can use a financial calculator. In your financial calculator, enter n equals 6 by pressing 6 first and then press n. Similarly, enter 4 in I over y. Enter PMT equals 300. Enter FV equals 0. Once you have entered all the values except for PV, press CPT and then press PV. So you get PV equals 1572.64. Note that the value for PV came out as negative. Just ignore this negative. Always remember that the PV value is considered a negative number in a financial calculator. In other words, PV is also considered cash outflow. If you like to watch other videos on the time value of money problems, please check the video description below. Thanks for watching.